am Cabarrus County District Court Judge Marty McGee, and I'm here to explain how administrative traffic court is conducted in our county. Speeding tickets and other minor infractions are typically first scheduled in administrative traffic court. If you've received a traffic citation and your case is scheduled for the first or third Friday of any month, then your case has been assigned to administrative traffic court. These cases are assigned to these sessions because the vast majority of traffic tickets are resolved by a plea arrangement, not by a trial. With over 50,000 cases filed in our district court each year, administrative traffic court reduces overcrowding in our criminal courts and allow those charged with minor traffic offenses to quickly resolve their cases. There are no trials in administrative court. The person charged with a traffic offense is given an opportunity to speak with an assistant district attorney regarding a possible plea arrangement, such as a reduction in speed. If a plea arrangement is not reached, then the case is scheduled for a regular criminal court where a trial can be conducted. As you probably know, the result in a traffic case can affect the cost of one's insurance and even one's ability to drive. Assistant DAs, attorneys who represent the state, are forbidden by law from giving legal advice regarding the effects of a plea arrangement. Thus, many people choose to be represented by an attorney. If you're represented by counsel, it may not be necessary for you to even attend court. For those who represent themselves, the procedure for administrative traffic court is as follows. 1. Parking. The Cabarrus County Courthouse is located in downtown Concord at 77 Union Street South. Parking is difficult, especially on days of admin court, because of the high volume of cases scheduled. There is limited parking on the streets downtown. There is also parking at public parking lots located off of Corbin, Spring, and Church Streets. 2. Security. Immediately after entering the front courthouse doors, you must pass through the security checkpoint before proceeding to the courtroom. A deputy will ask that you remove your belt before you pass through the metal detector. No weapons are permitted in the courthouse. This includes pocket knives. Your cell phone should be turned off or put on vibrate while you're in the building. Also, the courtroom is not an appropriate place for young children. 3. Sign-in. The courthouse doors open at 8 a.m. After you pass through the security checkpoint, you should go to the second floor and clearly print your name on the sign-up sheet on the podium beside the doors to courtroom number 1. Cases are handled on a first-come, first-served basis. 4. Report to courtroom number 1. When the doors open to courtroom number 1 at 8:30 a.m., you should go in and have a seat. 5. Negotiate with an assistant district attorney. Here in courtroom number 1, there will be several assistant DAs, each of which will call groups of people forward to discuss their cases. When your name is called, you will have the opportunity to discuss your case with an assistant DA. Many of those charged with traffic tickets bring their driving record or other documentation showing that they've taken some corrective action since they were charged. 6. Report to courtroom number 2. After you conclude your negotiations, you should immediately report to courtroom number 2, which is next door to courtroom number 1 on the second floor. 7. Appear before the judge. By about 9 a.m., enough cases have been negotiated for the judge to begin hearing pleas and considering continuances here in courtroom number 2. Once court begins, an assistant DA begins quickly calling cases. When your name is called, you should come to the closest opening in the bar. If you enter a guilty plea as agreed to in courtroom number 1, then you should have a seat on the left side of the courtroom and wait for the bailiff to hand you a call sheet showing you the amount due. If your cases continue to a new date, however, you're free to leave, but make sure that you remember your new court date.
8. Pay the cashier. After you receive the call sheet from the bailiff, you should take it to the cashier's office on the first floor in room 114. All costs and fines are to be paid that same day in cash. The cashier does not accept checks or credit cards.
Administrative traffic court moves quickly. Individual cases take less than a minute of actual time before the judge. And although it's not unusual to have more than 1,400 cases scheduled in a single day, if you're on time, your case should be addressed no later than 10 or 10:30 that morning. Many cases will be resolved in less than an hour. I hope this information has been helpful to you. We certainly appreciate your patience as we attempt to fairly and efficiently resolve these vast number of cases. In your case in particular, if you happen to be charged with a traffic ticket. Thank you.